CV tools like an attenuverter or a CV-mixer are as simple and unimposing as they are fundamental, so I want to show you a module that gives you 4 attenuverters as well as different mixing possibilities and outputs on just 10 HP. So ready your voltages and welcome to a new video, everyone. This is the Tiptop Audio MISO. MISO stands for Mix, Invert, Scale and Offset. The module consists of 2 identical units with 2 channels each and a mix output allowing to fade between the submixes of the 2 units. We patch a LFO signal into channel 1. The direct out goes into a filter controlling the filter frequency. With the attenuverter we can scale the signal and invert it. The other knob controls the offset amount. Now we patch 2 different LFOs into channel 1 and channel 2 and grab the combination at the submix output. The bottom MISO unit just works the same. Here the CV controls the pitch of a delay. The middle section of MISO is for the main mix. With the knob you can fade between the 2 units. That crossfader also has an CV input. With the 4 attenuverters, it's for example possible to create logic functions with triggers or gates. Here we send 4 different gate sequences and try some different combinations. In the last example, we combine different random CVs to control the frequency modulation input of a VCO and to modulate a reverb. We also create an inversion of another random CV and feed both the original and the inversion in a VCA frequency input and resonance input. MISO is simple but effective. May it be to spice up modulation voltages or just using the single channels for some adjustments on different CVs. There's a space in almost every patch for MISO to fit in. As always, I hope you found this helpful and to see you around next time. Take care.